Alright guys, just arrived to my house and it looks like my brother is here in a company vehicle full of stuff. Let's check it out. Bro, what we got? What we got?
Well, someone was remodeling the kitchen and I got all these random cabinets that I'm going to piece together to put in there. Just kind of use frames and different things like that. More just to have a base.
Or even like the doors are worth nothing.
The guy brought them to my house for $50, so.
Nice.
Yeah, can't really complain.
All the wood, let's get it. Alright guys, we got a lot of good stuff. All kinds of cabinets, a swamp cooler, water jugs, more wood, more cabinets. Alright, the van is backed up. Started like it was supposed to. And Adam's working on de-trimming and getting off this whole side panel here, because his plan is to build shelves and a wall on this side of the area up to that window, so that window can still open and he can use that as sink space and open space and some cabinets down there. I think the idea is to build the bed back here along the side, cover it full of storage from outside the back door and on the front, and build boxes for batteries and all that fun stuff. So first is to get all this out of the way, get all the plastic pieces and the leather trim pieces, and we can see what we got from there.
We got lovely volunteers. The nephews are going to help vacuum it out and clean.
Alright, so Adam's been grinding out studs for the seats, removed all the panels, took out the whole air AC control unit stuff, and vacuumed it, and about ready for some subfloor. So what's the plan of attack?
Well, get subfloor.
It's here.
Cardboard. We're going to get some cardboard sheets, lay it out, and make a little stamp of it.
I have some in my closet here.
And then, yeah, then just put it on the cardboard. On the plywood, and cut it out and put it in. We're going to use self-tapping screws and put it right down to the floor. Might get a little bit of filler stuff or some of the gaps just to make it nice and snug. Then on top of OSB, we're going to put some of that really nice smooth, I think, is it just
underlayment,
like really thin, 1/4 inch, I think.
Then we can start from there.
Yeah, and we'll be from there.
Then we start building boxes.
Start building boxes and walls and getting everything ready.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Alright, there it is. Adam got the cardboard together. So we're going to get a board, cut it the right width, and cut out our spaces. Alright, we're cutting off the ends to make these the right width at 68 inches for the back of the van. Then he will get the cardboard, trace it, cut it, go from there.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah!
That snuggie.
That's straight across the bottom. Bam. Wham bam.
Wham bam blam.
Locked and loaded.
Locked and loaded. Well,
there you go. Look, that's the fun one. Triggered. Like a glove. Alright, We got the board. Then we'll see if it fits. Alright, we're going to do this again. We're going to cut a board. We got this board. We got one more board. We'll have the floor kind of done. We'll go from there. Dude, we're going like budget friendly on this, bro.
Heck yeah.
Leftover construction lumber, repurposed cushions and cabinets. Bro, that's sick.
It's going to be ghetto-tastic.
Dude, it's not going to be ghetto.
It might be a little ghetto.
I'm not going to let it be ghetto. This is subfloor. It doesn't matter. The rest is going to be like hardwood snap laminate. We're going to have legit boards on the sides, and your bed frame's going to be legit. It's all legit. Too legit.
Too quick.
So cardboard is your friend. We make template like cavemen. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We far enough now?
Needs to go.
Dang, like a half an inch. Alright guys, with a new tip on the blade, look at this professionalism. Blah, blah. It's gonna fit perfectly. We have a template.
Oh, good job, Seth. Look, it's so strong.
Dude, Seth got 10 feet. He made it. Alright. When you're DIY, you deal with the material you have. Sometimes you have to sweep the boards off. They might have a little mud on them, but it's worth it.
They're free.
Free, yeah, to you. Yep. So 2 pieces down, 1 to go. Template is cut. It's going to be super sweet. Cut that out, fit in the area. This is an awesome subfloor. We'll have floors on top. We'll have, oh dude, I'm so pumped. We've been talking about ideas. You guys are going to love it. We're going to love it. We'll see if we can execute. Just adjusting fit, since this is a custom home.
Does that pull? What's it? Needs more in this corner.
Yeah.
Because it's about there. It just needs a little more.
Official. Subfloor is here. We have to get some self-tappers to go along the edges and around to keep it all into place. It's going to be awesome.